what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's all about unboxing again. So I'm so excited to tell you guys that I got this Apple Watch Series 5. So I'm so excited to unbox it. So let's get started guys. Doo-doo-doo. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Look at this. Awesome box guys. Look at that. It's so easy to open. There we go. So, right?
The cover.
It's nice and it's easy to open. So, this is the bags. And it comes with this small bags. I think this sport band in white color because later I can still buy the other color that I want guys. So yes. So how to open this anyway? I don't know how.
Yeah,
Can you help me please?
sure.
Dun, 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 dun. All right, of course. So, and ta-da! That's the sport band. It comes with a extra strap. And hold on, let's take this off first. First one. There we go. And the second one. There. I like it. And I have an extra here. So set aside and dun, this is the surprise. Let's open it up. There we go. So this is the watch, I think. Yes, the 40 mm size guys, because I have a small wrist and it's not nice to see the 44 mm. So I did try it. So even the sales associate also told me that it's not fit on my wrist. So how we going to open this one? Yeah, I like small size. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And of course at the back, that's how it looks like.
Okay.
And of course I'm going to show you guys what's inside the bags. Charging brick and of course this
Cable.
charging cable. So yes,
It's
a
cable.
magnetic cable. So let's open it up. Of course, that's it. And
That's
it's a magnetic, of course. Oh, hold on. Just want to, let's rip it up. Okay, like this.
okay.
It's almost the same with my Michael Kors smart watch that I got before. So, and now we're going to try to assemble it.
First, we need to power it up. So we're
First we're going to power it up and innocent and pink. Let's see. Turn it on. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, can you connect it?
to connect it.
And we're going to put this. Yes, I do. So I'm going to put it like this. Just so easy, guys. Let's see. It's just slide.
Let me do.
No. Yeah, there we go, guys. I love it. And pair Apple Watch manually. Can you help me, Kenneth? Can you come here? Align it with the view. Finder below.
Why it's on different language? So yeah.
You just put it in English.
No, like it should like yeah. and then open the app. So you have
This is the how it looks, the screen, guys, when you after you turn the power on. So to pair it up with your iPhone, scan this one on the screen. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. We're going to pair it, and then okay, there we go, and again okay.
Create a passcode.
Alright guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the red bell button below for you to get notified if I upload a new video. Bye!